There is an alarming trend of skewed sex ratio against women in India during the past decades. In the last 10 years, we have found that the sex ratio against women has skewed, right? Less number of women per 1,000 meals. That's what is, the meaning here. I mean, what is sex ratio? Number of women per 1,000 meals. So that has got skewed because because female feticide has not been under control, and this situation will go out of hand if we don't take any adequate step now. So what should be the effective step to reverse this trend? Look at the 3 steps given here. A, the government should immediately completely ban the use of scanners or sonography on expecting mothers at all health centers. So that's one step given here, that the government should immediately completely ban the use of scanners or sonography on expecting mothers at all health centers. Now, I would like to draw your attention to a word here. Completely. The word completely. Because this is the deciding factor about statement A. Look at the next one. Statement B or step B. Step B says that the government should announce a substantial incentive scheme for couples who have at least one girl child. So this is, I hope you have understood the step A, right? Step A says that government should completely ban the use of scanners on expecting mothers, on pregnant women at all health centers. They should not allow the use of scanners at all, or sonography should not be allowed. Step B tells us that the government should announce a substantial incentive. They should announce some incentive for couples who have at least one girl child. So if you have a girl child, at least one girl child, there should be some incentive, right? Some incentive. So this would help probably, because then people will not go for female feticide. I mean, maybe that incent which is being provided will be helpful, right? And step C says that the government should launch a nationwide campaign to create awareness against female feticide. Now, clearly C is in favor. It is an effective step, right? You should launch a campaign to create awareness against female feticide. So we should create more and more awareness that female feticide is not correct, and that will, change people's mind and perception. So C definitely looks okay. B also looks okay. The question is about A. B and C look okay, right? See, only A is incorrect. If you have to eliminate the options, only A is incorrect because B definitely is a effective step and C is also an effective step. So you cannot say only A. You cannot say only A and B also, because C we have already decided. See, B and C there is no doubt. B and C definitely are in favor in announcing a scheme, incentive, and doing a nationwide campaign is in favor. So B and C are definitely there. The question is about A. The question is about A. And that's what we'll decide, right? That's what we'll decide. Only B and C or all A, B and C. Now, I would say that A is not an effective step. A is not an effective step. Understand, I had highlighted the word completely there, right? It plays a key role. If government completely bans, if they take such an extreme step, this is an extreme step because they're completely banning the use of scanners and sonography. Now, a complete ban, it's like a blanket ban, right? I mean, you completely make it, you prohibit that. Is it really effective? No. See, what is in favor because of that ban is that people will not be able to decide the sex of the fetus. Is the child going to be male or female? That cannot be decided. And hence, female feticide may come down because you don't know whether the child is male or female till it is in the womb. But the disadvantage, and a big disadvantage, is that if you completely ban it, how are you going to take care of the health? You see, and if you understand, sonography plays a key role during the pregnancy, right? During the gestation period, because you got to, regularly check the status of the fetus, how healthy, is the growth proper or not, etc. Right? Or let's say if there's some issue, how would you know what the problem is if you're not allowed to scan at all? So I think a complete ban is not the effective step. You may say that, determining the sex of the fetus is banned, which is of course a rule in the country, right? Sex determination is not allowed. But completely banning scanners is too extreme a step to be taken. Yeah. So that is the reason I would say A is not an effective step. It should be B and C only. And hence my answer would be option 3. And I am stressing on the word my answer. I feel it should be B and C, only B and C. You cannot go for A, B and C, all A, B and C, because A is a complete ban, which is not the right thing to do.